Today I'm going to be making a mouth-melting French dessert with mangoes. And let's see the recipe for Eggless Mango Souffle. The first step is to make some jelly for this recipe. So I'm going to warm up half a cup of water. Turn on the flame. Once the water starts to boil, I'm going to add in 1 packet of vegetarian mango jelly. Let's add in all the ingredients of the jelly packet. Give it a good stir and make sure everything dissolves nicely into the water. Let's turn off the flame and let this cool down quickly. Just periodically give it a stir so that it doesn't start to set at room temperature. The jelly is starting to set. Keep stirring till it cools down slightly. Before this jelly completely sets, I'm going to transfer it in a bowl. And now I'm going to add in a few more ingredients. Into this, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of mango pulp or mango juice. Let's give this a whisk. Make sure you break all the jelly lumps. Next, I'm going to add in 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Give this a good whisk. And now into this, I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of aerated water or soda just to air it a little bit. Give it a quick whisk. This mixture is ready and I'm going to pour it in these serving bowls and set it in the freezer for at least a good 3 to 4 hours. Time to set these in the freezer. These souffles are nicely set and now it's time to garnish them. Just garnish them with a few mango pieces. Mint leaves. Even if you're not a mango lover like me, trust me, give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.